Hey guys, I'm going to quickly walk you through how to use master pages and put in some live page numbers as well as stuff like your name and important parts of your portfolio. So, um, just to get started, we haven't really touched master pages yet because at this phase, your portfolio only has a couple spreads. It's really small. But as your portfolios start to grow, what you're going to want to do is basically you can make template pages that then apply to all of the other pages on your document, right? So, for example, up here, this like a parent, um, this is your first master page, and you can make multiple of these and apply them to different sheets. But for now, we're just going to keep one. For example, if you double click onto this, you have a left page and a right page, and these are not a part of your document necessarily, but they are essentially like the templates that get applied. What I mean by that, if I were to draw a box, there's a black box, right? This is on like the left page, and then I draw this on the right. If I go back into my document, those boxes will be on every left and right page as I go. And even if I generate more pages, um, they are going to continue to be like that. So let's see here. For example, if I throw a page after page 5 right here, it will generate more pages in this template. So in on these sheets, you cannot edit what is on your master page. You have to click back into your master page to get rid of those. It's really helpful, and especially so when you start to get into longer form documents like your portfolio. So, what else can we do with this? If you have text, remember when I showed my portfolio, I had in the bottom within my margin, we have a larger margin at the bottom. I was able to kind of grab a font that I liked, um, and put even just like my name, right? I recommend putting your name. You can start to play with the indentation. I want this to like indent right. I want to make it italic of some sort, maybe like a light italic or a book italic, just something that will show up down there. And you can basically bounce back and forth between your document and what's going on down here. It's like, ah, yes, that looks kind of nice down there. But what else might be helpful um, on a master page? I had my email down there. A bunch of people told me not to do that. That was just my own personal preference because I thought it would be helpful for me. But what I think you will really like is, say, if I put my cursor into a text box, or I could even make a brand new text box. It's really up to personal preference. Say I make a text box right here. Go to type, insert special character, marker, current page number, right? And so you can set, this is going to show up as like an A or a letter. You can set what font you want this to be, what size. So let's say I want, again, to use this font that I've been using, but I want it to be maybe like a bold, and I want it to be a little bigger. And then I can arrange this wherever I want to. I can make sure both of these are snapped to the baseline grid. I feel like the name would go left of page number in my head. That's just what makes sense to me. I can use the arrow keys to kind of start to line this up how I want it. Basically, that A on different pages will read as a page number. See? And you'll notice it's only on my left side page, or I'm sorry, my right page, because that's the only place I've put it on my master page. So if I wanted to show odd numbers too, I could literally just copy paste this box that I made, drop it over here on the other side, and boom, 1, 2, 3, 4. Um, that's really it. It's a really helpful tool to get you some current page numbers, and you can start to, if you have information that you want on every page, I would keep it so brief. Maybe just your name and a page number would be good. Make it a stylized font that is matching the rest of your portfolio, and use these master pages to start to build out your document. I just want to say that your portfolios over years will get longer. So if you put in the effort up front right now, then you're going to make your life easier going forward because you won't have to keep rearranging and changing your portfolio. If you set up a system that you like and you design yourself a system to um, put your projects in, same intro pages, same style of uh, stacking and balancing drawings, using hierarchy with text, um, then you will already have like a system set up. And when you're done with a project, maybe light touch up, and then boom, you just plop it in, and it works really great. So that being said, that's all I have. Short video today, but keep cranking away. You're doing great, and keep up the good work.